Hey, it's Jacob with Keller Williams. We're in North Fond du Lac today, and this home is an absolute home run. Okay, curveball. Tough picture today. There it is. Let's go check it out. Perfect for catching a nap, Netflix, or even a game or two. And here we have the snack prep zone, great for tailgate, bake-offs, and microwave meals that feel gourmet. And after a long day of winning at life, this is where you can come to recover. Every great athlete needs a post-game soak, which is really convenient in here. Every team needs a cleanup hitter. This is yours. One, two, 3 strikes, you're out if you wait on this one. With 3 beds, 1 bath, and charm that knocks it out of the park, you won't want to wait. Schedule your showing today before another person steals this home.